Namaste students, welcome you all for today's mathematics class. You've already seen the introduction for sets, right? So let's see this exercise today, exercise 1.1, right? So which of the following are sets? Okay, so first, what is a set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects, right? So let's see the first question. The collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. If this question is asked to anyone, they will tell the same answer, right? January, February. So which means you can collect the objects. So each one, if they collect, the answer will be same, right? So the collection of all months of the year beginning with the letter J is a set. Okay, this is a set. The next one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. If suppose I collect, okay, I will collect different writers' names, right? Suppose if you collect, you will collect different writers. So which means it is not a well defined collection, right? So this is not a set. Okay, go for third question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world, right? Best cricket batsmen, definitely it will not be same, right? For each and every person the answer will be different, right? So this is also, it is not a set. The next question, the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, absolutely it is a set, because one, if it is 11B or 11C, only the names of the students in 11C will be the set, right? So it is a well defined collection, so it is a set. If you go for this, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100, it's a set or not? Yes, definitely it's a set, right? It's clear, students? Okay, see this question. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Here, this question is very twisted. Suppose in this question, if they have given collection of best novels written by, or a collection of 10 best novels, means it is not a set, right? Because best 10 novels will be different for different persons. But here they are asking only the novel names. So, all the books or novels written by him will come under this collection. So anyone can collect that, right? So it is a set. It's clear? The collection of all even integers, definitely it is a set. Collection of questions in this chapter, this is also, because we are going to select the questions only from this chapter, right? So it is also a set. Okay, let's go for the next second question. Let A 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? They have given a set. Insert the appropriate symbol in the blank spaces. So what is this symbol? This is called belongs, right? This is does not belongs, right? So 5 belongs to this set. Yes, so 5 belongs to A. Second question, 8 is not there in the set, right? So 8 does not belongs to A. 0 also does not belongs to A, right? 4, does 4 belongs, just see? Yes, 4 belongs to this set. The next one, 2 also belongs to this set. The next one, yes. So 4 and 2 both belongs to set A, right? So 10 does not belongs to A, right? The third question, write the following sets in roster form, right? What is a roster form? Yes, by writing in a set form. See, set, definitely you should use this bracket only, but in test, I am very sorry I could not put this, so I have used this symbol, but you should not use this anywhere, okay? For set you should use only this. X is an integer and -3 less than x less than 7, right? So which means x should be greater than -3. So -3 greater means what are the values? -2, -1, 0, less than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? This is the roster form of this. -3 less than x less than 7. Okay. Second question, x is a natural number less than 6. What is meaning of natural number? Natural number, whole numbers, you all know, right? Whole number starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1. So that number should be, so the set B, what is the set B here? Less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6 means 6 should not be included. Next one. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So if you add those two digits, okay, you should get, if you add those two digits, you should get 8. So can you tell what are the things you have here? It's a natural number, so definitely 0 should not come here. So can I start with 2, 6, that is 26, right? 26 you can take. Next 35, 40, 44. Next one you can have 53, 62, 53, 62, right? 53, 62. Then what you have here? 53, 62, 71, 17, right? All these numbers. 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71. If you add these two numbers, you will get 8. If I left any number, you can fill that also, right? The next question. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60, right? You can try this. You should write X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. You all know what is a prime number? Yes, it should be only 1 and its factor, right? 1 and itself. Next one. X is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. A very important question you should see here. Whenever you have like this, if you have any, see this is E, right? T, how many T's you have here? 1, 2, right? But it's enough if you write 1 T here. Okay, so T comma R again you have 2 times. So but you can put 1 T R. Then I you have only 1. So you can write I. G O you have 2 times. So you can write O 1 time. N you have only 1. Okay, again M, again E. Suppose if you have letters repeated, please write that 1 times. So this is the set TRIGONME. So this is a set of letters in the word trigonometry. Now see this set of letters in the word better, right? So what you will get here? Better means B. E you have 2 times, so you write 1 time. T you have 2 times, so you write 1 time. R. So the set of letters in the word better is BETR. Now we are going to see set builder form. It will be given like this 3, 6, 9, 12, right? So how to write this in set builder form means you should write like this: X such that X is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means all the numbers will come. So I have stopped here. You should give the condition less than 13. So X is a multiple of 3 less than 13. This is the answer, right? See this question. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So you can see something is there in the question, right? 2 is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 32 is 2 power 5, which means X is of the form 2 power n, where n belongs to n. One more condition you should give here. If you give like this, all the natural numbers, it will go for 2 power 6, 2 power 7 also. But it should end with 2 power 5. So I have given the condition n should be greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5. So which means 1 and 5 also will be included, right? If it is equal to symbol is there. So 1 less than or equal to n, or you can write like this: n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? The next question. 5, 25, 125 and 625. You can see the same way you can try this. You can put 5 power 1, right? Then this you can write as 5 power 2, 5 power 3 and 5 power 4. So how you can write this? Set of all x such that x equal to 5 power n, where n belongs to n, and you can write here n takes the value 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4, right? Here the next one is 246, but here it's not ending, right? Which means x is a even natural number. Suppose if it ends in 10, now you can tell less than 11 like that, but it is not ending anywhere, it is going. So we are telling x is a even natural number. Okay, here 149 etc. up to 100, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square etc. up to 10 square. So x is of the form n square. When n belongs to n takes the value 1 to 10. So n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10. Okay, x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes k. So what is consonants? You all know we are going to take only till k. First write the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J precedes K. So you should stop with J and you just take the vowels from this. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. No need, right? So they are asking consonant in the, so all others are consonants here, right? So the F set is nothing but, what is the set here? B, C, D, F, G, H and J. Okay, this is the set form for this. Now let's go for 6th question. What is the 6th question? I think I left here one thing. List all the elements of the following sets. Okay, x is a odd natural number. X is a odd natural number. Odd natural number means 1, 3, 5 etc., right? Because it's not ending anywhere, so it's a 1, 3, 5 etc. The next question is, x is an integer. Minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means 0.5. Here it is 4.5. So what are the values? X should be greater than minus 0.5. So what are the values? Here it should be 0, 1, 2, 3 and it should be less than 4.5, right? Less than 4.5. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be less than 0.5. It should be greater than 0.5, minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. 4.5 less means 4, right? Next question. X is an integer. X square should be less than or equal to 4. So here minus 1, 0. I think you can take minus 2 also. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. You can check this. Minus 2 square is 4. Okay, 1 square. If you go for 3, it will become 9. It is not less than 4. So these are the values. Since it's given an integer, we are taking the negative values also. X is a letter in the word loyal. I told you already, if letters are repeated, you should write only once, right? So L, O, W, A. This is the answer. Sorry, this question I explained you before itself. It is writing the elements. So I think it's clear for you. X is a consonant in the English alphabet, precedes K. So you have written this, right? The next one is match roster form to the set builder form. See, this is the roster form 1, 2, 3, 6. And you should match to this. So 1, 2, 3, 6. What is that? X is a natural number and divisor of 6, right? Is this correct? Or it's a prime number and a divisor of 6? No, you just check. You can match this. Mathematics, X is the letter of the word mathematics. It's first. Okay, 1 3 5 7 9. X is a odd natural number less than 10, right? The next one, 2 3. X is a prime number and it's a divisor of 6. And for this, X is a natural number and a divisor of 6. Let's go for the next exercise. Which of the following examples of null set? Null set means nothing should be there inside the set, right? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So definitely odd numbers will not be divided by 2. So this is a null set. Nothing will be there inside the set, right? Set of even prime number. Even prime number means 2 is a even prime number, right? This is not null set. X is a natural number. X should be less than 5 and greater than 7. Less than 5, greater than 7. Nothing will be there, right? It is not. It is a null set. No elements will be there inside. Y is a point common to two parallel lines. You cannot find any point parallel to any parallel lines, right? So this is not, this is a null set only. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Okay, set infinite means what? You can count or whatever it is. The set of month of a year, it is finite. 1 2 3 etc. up to infinity, right? You know that. So this is infinite. The next one, 1 2 3 etc. up to 100. So it is finite. The set of positive integers greater than 100, it is infinite. The set of prime numbers less than 99, it is finite, right? Again, finite or infinite only. Third question, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis, right? We have so many lines, it is infinite. The next question, the set of letters in the English alphabet, you know how many letters are there and you can count it also, it is finite. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5, definitely it is infinite. The set of animals living on the earth, you have approximate number, right? They are having that, you can tell that, so it is finite. They are not asking the total numbers. The set of animals living on the earth, you know the names of the animals, right? So it is infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin, infinite. We will have so many circles passing through the origin. Okay. Now we are going to say equal. A equal to B or not. See, A equal to B means the elements, they can be in different order, but the number should be same and the element should be same. See, A, B, B, C, C, D, D. So it is equal. A equal to B. If I see this, 4, 4, 8, 8, 12 is not there here, right? So it is not equal. All the elements should be same. And here 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10. X is positive even integer and x should be less than or equal to 10. The answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only. So they are equal. X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30, whatever it is. Here 15, 25. Multiples of 5 is also there, right? So the elements are not same. So A not equal to B. Or the following pair of sets equal. A is given as 2, 3. It is the solution of this set, x square plus 5x plus 6. You all know how to find the solution, right? You will split this. You will get the solution for this as minus 2 and minus 3. So they are not equal. A not equal to B. If we see this, X is a letter in the word follow. F will come, O one time will come, L will come and W will come, right? B is a letter in the word wolf. W, O, L, F, right? Both are same only, same number of elements and same elements also, but it's not in the same order, but A equal to B. Last question, select equal sets. From this you should write the equal sets. See, 1 2 3 4 3 1 4 2. So B and D are same. Next, minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So E and G are equal, right? So let's have a small recap of what we have learned today. Okay, if you are thorough with this single page, you can score good marks in today's test, right? So what is a sets? Well defined collection of objects, right? So whoever collects the sets, they should get the same answer. So that is a set. Finite set means it should be countable, and you should know it should not go behind the range, right? So finite. Infinite means set of all positive integers, set of all negative integers, like that. Empty set, or otherwise it is called as null set. Okay, empty set means nothing should be there inside the set. If there is no element inside the set, we call that as a empty set. Non-empty set means, suppose if we have any elements inside, then it is called a non-empty set. Equal and equivalent, it's very important. Equal means same number of elements and same elements. Can you understand this? Same number of elements and same elements. For example, 2 3 means in that set also you should have 3 2. The order can be different, but the same element should be there. Equivalent set means only same number of elements. The second condition will not come. Same number of elements. For example, 2 3 equal to 1 2. This set is equivalent set because see, here also 1 2 element is there, here also 2 element is there. So this is equivalent set. Okay, can you understand the difference between equal and equivalent sets? Equal sets means the elements also should be same. Okay, equivalent set means same number of elements should be there in both the sets. Singleton set means if a set contains only one element, then it is called a singleton set. Cardinal number means A is 1 2 3. The cardinal number of the sets, how many elements? 3 elements. So that 3 is called the cardinal number.